I'll see you in a little bit, man.
Job number 2. I got this bedroom here with some pea dog urine. A little bit they cleaned up, but you can see where they cleaned it. And then this other bedroom, well, we got this area rug. And this bedroom here. And the closet. So we got a nice traffic area, which we're going to scrub with the CRB. A little bit over here. So we'll see how this comes out after the CRB. Just wanted to show I'm using Green Dragon. I just sprayed it. And I just want to show how a little scrubbing really makes a big difference. Especially when you have traffic patterns like we have in this home here. And I have a towel out here, so as I walk in and out, I'm not dragging the Green Dragon all over the carpet. Alright, I'm about to extract this pathway here from the original video. You can see that the CRB along with this Green Dragon has done a really good job of loosening the soil. So now we're just going to extract it out of here. You know, there's going to be a wear area, wear path. This carpet's 20 plus years old. I move this over. This big old heavy wand. Anyways, I just wanted to show how using a CRB, just taking your time and scrubbing the carpet with it will give you really great results. It just takes a little more time. Just give it a little more scrubbing until you finally see it start loosening up, which means it'll lighten up the traffic areas, and voila. So you can see right here is a wear area right here, because you go over it, it just doesn't come out. But for 20-year-old carpet, it's not bad, in my opinion. That's it. Next video will be the final results. Came out so good. Got to shoot a video of it.
Yeah. I'm not sure when the last time you were here cleaning. It's got to be, wow, it's been a while.
Yeah, I remember. I did this wool rug.